Mount Pleasant FA blew an 8th-minute lead and were held to a 1-1 draw by Tivoli Gardens in their rescheduled Roy and Nephew Jamaica Premier League encounter at the Edward Siaga Sports Complex on Wednesday. Jashane Anglin gave Mount Pleasant the lead, but that was wiped out by Alton Lewis in the 72nd minute. Mount Pleasant are now on 46 points in second place. That's 5 behind leaders Montego Bay United.
A bit disappointed, but such is the nature of the game. I think we go again. I think for the last 3 games we have conceded some goal, whereas, it's unacceptable at this level. But again, a point, and we move on.
Tivoli Gardens remained 10th on 30 points, 3 off the playoff places.
We continue to, give up opportunities, and today it costs us. I mean, you're in the defensive unit and you're supposed to be tracking ball side, meaning goal side, and instead you make a contact result in a penalty.
2 more matches are scheduled for Thursday. Portmore United will be at home to Waterhouse at the Ferdinand Park at 3:30 p.m. and title holders Cavalier will host the Malines United at the Stadium East Field at 4. Right then, we take a halftime break and come back with lots more. Stay tuned.